Hopefully this works. TRKA. TRKA. Hey, buddy. Is it better now? I think. Well, let me know if it. Let me know if there's SINT. I really like SINT, but I want to see some strength out of it at this point because it's just in a downward fall, and I'm not really appreciative of that. Hey, Talal, can you hear me now? Still chop chop. All right. How about? Does that help? How about now? How about now? Am I good now? Am I still glitching or am I good? I'm not good? Yo, 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 yo. Fuck. COSM. Can anybody hear me or no? Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Chad could hear me. Chad could hear me. Okay. Loud and clear now. Beautiful. Boyle. Boyle has 15.5. Gonna be trying for more here. Bitcoin looking for a handle. Hold on. Bitcoin up. Bitcoin. What are we doing, Bitcoin? RSI on Bitcoin is a 67. We're gonna be looking for a gold cross here on TRKA in a second, with some good price action at least. AMC to 9% up. Going for the handle on Bitcoin. Boil. Guys, give me 1 second. I gotta put the dogs upstairs. Up. Go on. We're upstairs. Up. Alright, my bad. My bad. Boil. RSI on Bitcoin's at 58. AMC lost 9% up. Hi, babe. Thank you, honey. I know. I restarted my my stream, but it's not. It's just YouTube, I think. It is just YouTube. Boil. What doing? Okay, honey. I have an idea for tomorrow on how I'm gonna fix this, but I can't do that until tomorrow. Watch out on TRKA. TRKA getting way too tight. Bitcoin's RSI is 49. Wolf to 14%. SDIG 8% up. Nice. GWH 7.4-ish. BBAI is about 6% up. Backed 4.5 up. They're trying to super trend Bitcoin down. If we don't recover here, it might look like a double top in a second. So we definitely want to go ahead and we want to get over these digits up here. Bitcoin off to 48. RSI is at 45. Net gas is about to go, it looks like. What are you doing, Nat Gas? What are you doing? Honey, I don't know how I could fix it right this second. I'm like they must be trying to like short my stream or something. I'm not running anything else on this computer other than TradingView. Thank you for checking though. Guys, everybody turn your settings down one notch on quality and see if that helps. Hold on, let me see. It says stream status is good. Good connection. Not great connection, but it's a good connection. TRKA. Bitcoin trying to spin off that bottom. RSI on Bitcoin's at 48. What are we doing? You hear me now? Okay, good. I don't know what the problem is. See, now it's saying that I have excellent connection. Boiled 17%. Bitcoin RSI is a 53.5.
It's glitching really bad for me right now. And it keeps on kicking me out. I don't know. I will try to restart router or But yeah. Anyways, good luck. Love you.
Yeah. Read chat. Read that pinned message. I don't know why my shit is being the way that it is. It's like restart it. I'm not talking. Can you hear me now? Hard down on TRKA? Alright, how about now? Can you hear me now? How about now, Mark? Okay. Alright. People could hear me now. Here comes the boom boom. Here comes the boom boom. RSI on Bitcoin is a 50. Heads up on COSM as well, off 48. If we get a Bitcoin push. Boil. Up 17. Throw the consolidation on TRKA after it formed a cup. Shit, still? Welcome to chat, by the way, Phil. Can you guys try turning your quality down one notch? Because I already tried doing one thing. I'll switch laptops for tomorrow. But I can't do that, like, right this second. But tomorrow I'll switch laptops to one that has an Ethernet cable. And I've never had any issues with that one. Better? Okay. Keep saying that my stream health is fine. Like, okay. Weird. Bitcoin. Is better, but still chop, and now bad again. Fucking A. How do I... Is there anything that I could do on my end? There's nothing I could really do on my end. Boil up. Bitcoin's RSI is a 56. Do we have here? Hard down on Boyle. Hard down on Boyle to the 24. Octa's getting really tight again. Is BBBY dead? I don't like BBBY. And if I've said this several times, if I wasn't to play BBBY, it'd be through options. A lot of Credit Suisse blocks. Wolf to 15%. APE to 153. Heads up on Boyle, guys. Volume on Boyle approaching average volume. COSM above average volume. TRKA 59.3 mil in volume. Average is about 72. Boyle about to get it. Can you try to refresh it? TRKA just ate supply. Boyle up. %. FOA looks interesting. FOA has been looking interesting for sure, cruising. Yo, I made that video last week, and it's, like right after I made that video, it like almost doubled. Coinbase has 4% up. Getting really tight here, guys. Bitcoin's RSI is a 50. You can hear clear now? Very good. FRC's getting it. Somebody let me know if COSM goes crazy, please. Woo, baby. RSI is still 50. Waiting to see what we're going to do here on Bitcoin. VIRI off the highs. AMC off of its highs. Wolf off of the highs. Octo. You're at support resistance right now on BBAI. Octo up. Bitcoin up. Heads up on MCOM? Maybe. MCOM is at VWAP. Look at Boyle. Boyle's just fucking champing along. Boyle. Boyle. I wish YouTube wasn't chopping me. RSI on Bitcoin is now 52. Zella 5% up. Yeah, I know. Turn your quality down one. I know. Just turn your quality down one. I don't know why YouTube's being like this today. Bitcoin. Are we gonna pop my pennant? Boyle 19% up. Love it. Whole lot of nothing happening on COSM. Bitcoin's trying to bust right now, though. Coming up on 60 million in volume right now. On TRKA, that is. Trying to pop that pennant. Bitcoin's RSI is 57. Hard down on COSM. Down to VWAP. I already did that, kid. I already did that. Coming towards the end of my pennant on Bitcoin. Hey, Jack. Happy Monday to you too, brother. TRKA up. Looks like it. Oh, update. What would you like to be updated on? Exactly. Because like we had a like a 5-hour space about it on Friday. Bitcoin trying to bust a pennant. RSI on Bitcoin is now a 60. TRKA, yeah, I just tried trending like that. Everything I'm listening while I drive. So we still have not heard the GNS offer, which is huge. We honestly don't even need to hear anything from TRKA. We need to hear from GNS, and we need to know what the offer is. However, other than that, I mean, like, I just can't understand the shorts thesis. Now, they did go ahead and they did file for an S3. They did file for an S3 that's for $150 million. They could cancel that at any time. We'll see. Barbara, a lot of people are experiencing that. I don't know why. Go to your settings thing and just drop the quality down one notch. Because it says on my end that I have excellent connection. Really, I think that the shorts are just screwed on TRKA. Like, bad. Coinbase 4.5 up. Next target on Bitcoin is going to be 29,312-ish. Maybe I'll just draw that out, actually. Boyle going to try. Yeah, the float is much lower than what everybody thought it was. Much, much lower than everybody thought it was. I don't think everybody understood the documentations or documents that came out. Documentation. I don't think that anybody came out or understood the paperwork that came out. That's all. SPX about to test green level. Okay. Thank you very much for that, Doc. Still chopping. I've restarted 6 times now. I don't know. I can't. That's. I don't know why, because it's saying I have excellent quality or excellent connection. Bitcoin RSI is a 62. Can somebody let me know if COSM does something? I just can't have this on screen if it's not going to move. I don't know exactly what I'm going to pull up, but... Fuck. Wait. I don't know when you want to sell your TRKA. Man. I wish there was something I could do to fix it. Because I would. I'll do what I can tonight to fix it. Boy, oh, might have just double topped. Let's hope not. Does McDonald's have green screens? Backed to 169. Way too tight. And these candles are telling a story too. Thumbs up for Buzz, please, people. Thank you very much, Jack. I appreciate you. Get ready. TRKA. Yep. Are you asked? Okay. All right. Okay. So instead of just talking at me, can you say, can you please pull up AGFY? Dude, why are you spamming? Chill. Exactly. TRKA, too tight. SPX going for the move. Nice. Let's get it. RSI and Bitcoin's at 48. Alright, I don't need those types of vibes in my room. See ya. Bitcoin done confirmed, you think? Not if SPX is going to go for a run like what Doc was thinking. These Bollinger Bands are really, really tight on MULN. RSI on Bitcoin's at 46.5. Market might be consolidating for that power hour move. Might have to see how the next 30 to 45 minutes go. I'm hi Steve. Try to turn the quality down just for today. Just try to turn it down like one notch and see if that works. And then tomorrow I'm just gonna use my other laptop. We're gonna get it all at once or what? MULN? A lot of Credit Suisse candles. Or blocks, excuse me. A lot of Credit Suisse slapping the ask. Here comes a move. Potentially. More Credit Suisse blocks. The last time that... So... Last time that it traded sideways like this, it was on low volume to the downside, and we shot right up like a cannon. But now we're on like decent decent volume, so it's a little bit different. Ron, I know. Turn your quality down one for just today. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and use my other laptop. I don't know what the hell's going on with this, because I'm only running TradingView and my OBS to connect to you guys. That's it. SPX took a recent high. Okay. VIRI to 25% up almost. Again. Blink blocks. It's BLNK blocks on the ask. Carvana back into the green. DXY still sliding a little bit. RSI on Bitcoin is at 47. TRKA, what do we got? TRKA trying. TRKA volume is at 60.5 million. Average volume 72 million. MULN. Oh, by the way, tonight I'm gonna make a Mafia Chat 2.0. Thanks to the apparently there's a mole in Mafia Chat. So the requirements are gonna be that you have to either like be a mod or you have to have the second from the bottom membership tier. Second from the bottom. Just because I don't know any other way in order to go ahead and defend against a mole. However, Discord is still free. Are we gonna get it? RSI on Bitcoin 47.57 on the 48. Do or die. Got to keep the robots out somehow. Exactly. Does anyone know if AMC is going to have shares split or is it just 8? No. They're gonna be. They're both gonna do whatever they're gonna do. They're not gonna separate like that. Like AMC is 1-to-1 with APE, in theory. At least from what I read. That's why we talk about the price arbitrage opportunity so often. Didn't they talk about stock? A reverse split. Yes, sir. So it's gonna be. All right. So 10 APE equal 10 AMC. Because after they do the 1-to-1, they're gonna do a 10-to-1 reverse split, right? And then it's gonna be 1 AMC, 1 APE. Like that. Boyle trying. $45 RSI here on Bitcoin. They both are, and then they're gonna come. Then they're gonna come together, and then they're gonna be just AMC again. There's gonna be there. It's just gonna go back to one ticker. About to get a push. Crazy. It is crazy. You're not wrong. It is crazy. MULN at your level of resistance. I'm going to draw it. RSI on Bitcoin to a 40, almost a 49. Um, $51 RSI on Bitcoin. VIX to a 19. Bitcoin trying on a super trend. RSI is a 55. Bitcoin. RSI is a 53 almost. Oil doing at average volume, pretty much. MULN well below average volume. The little pop on VIX was due to block orders, I believe. I'm watching it on level 2 for UVXY. A couple 100K orders just came in. Okay. So you're thinking down then. Gold cross on MCOM. Hard short on Boyle. Watch this engulf. TRKA, I'm seeing a little bit of green. MULN trying. Well, hard down on Boyle. These are shorts, guys. They're shorting. They just shorted it down to the 200. Below the 2. I think we might be gearing up for a move. Either that or the market's about to fall on its face. Bitcoin RSI is a 48. Boyle hard down. Hard down. In between the 200 and the VWAP on Boyle. Inside the MACD right now on Bitcoin. RSI is a 48. $27% now on VIRI. Boyle trying back up. Estig well off the highs. VIRI to 30%. $90 minutes left. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much, Mark. Boyle 15% up. After that drop still. RSI on Bitcoin is 51. COSM off the highs. AMC off of its highs. Back to 7%. Creating higher lows here on TRKA. Wolf to 17% up. Good shit if you guys hit on that. I see green. Bitcoin trying to bust. RSI is at 54. TRKA just under average volume. Bitcoin super trend up. TRKA. Bitcoin up. Double bottom on Boyle, just underneath the 200. MULN is just barcoding at support resistance. Low volume on MULN. TRKA. Boyle might slide right down to the view up. Oh, what a move. I didn't get like the perfect out on it, but I mean, like I got it. I made money on it, and then I threw it elsewhere. It is what it is. Go ahead. Boil down to just off VWAP. Bitcoin's RSI is a 53.7. It's forming a cup though. Here, let me zoom. Oh, see, look, another little cup. RSI here is a 51 on Bitcoin. Boyle's trying off the VWAP. MULN's trying to get over the support resistance line that it got held up at. TRKA hard up. VIRI has 30% up. RSI is 51.6. VS way off of its high. GWH has 9% up now. MULN starting to move. There's like no movement here on Bitcoin right now. Very, very, very tight bars. Here comes Boyle. VIX 219. Bitcoin 48.28 is the RSI. Hopefully that we get that bounce off the 48. Ah, Dana. Dana, oh shit, I forgot to. Okay, I forgot to do it today, right? But the second one from the bottom, right? Because I have a mole in my Facebook group. If you want to be a part of the Facebook group, I'm making it so you have to be the second tier from the bottom. I'm so sorry that I didn't. I mean, realistically, if you wanted it, it wouldn't cost you anything like extra, but like other than like the upgrade fee. But the upgrade fee isn't much at all. Thank you though very much for becoming a member. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. RSI on Bitcoin is now 48. I must get rid of the mole. I do apologize about that. Oh, good crack. I see some green on Bitcoin. RSI is at 49. You are welcome. What do I have to do? You just have to go up one membership and then add me on, or just join the Mafia group on Facebook. So hold on one second. I'll get you the link to that. Bear with me, guys, while I grab the link for her. Fuck is it? Why can I not find this? Fuck. Do you have Twitter, Dana? I think you do, right? Can you just tweet at me and I'll give you instructions in after hours? Because for some reason it's maybe it's me today. I don't know. I just can't figure out the link situation. Oh wait, never mind. I think I got it. We're good. I'm shot. I'm shot. Invite. Share group. Copy link. All right. Hold on one second. Can you refresh, Phil? Can you try to refresh? Hold on. There you go. Bitcoin up. Hard down on TRKA. Yes. Yeah, Dana, just join that group though, and then comment in the on that post that I made over the weekend. After you make your membership the second level up, just be like, hey, will you add me to the group? And I'm gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna make a new Mafia, like Margin Mafia 2.0 chat. Cause fuck moles. MULN. Oh man, we are close. Close. I hope Bitcoin doesn't get heavy here. RSI is at 52. Bitcoin again. RSI is at 59 on Bitcoin. These things are getting tight, guys. Very tight. 58.0, 61.6 RSI on Bitcoin. Bitcoin going for it. I honestly wouldn't even worry about this. They're just eating supply on TRKA. On a VWAP. Yep. Eating supply. Bitcoin going for that recent high. What are we doing, folks? What are we doing? Double bottom on Boyle, just off the 200, or just off the VWAP, excuse me. TRKA just off the 200. And MULN's on the 48. Hey, anyone that gets medications via telehealth providers, your prescriptions are possibly going to be canceled without your knowledge. DEA has proposed legislation to Congress to be voted on. Thank you very much for that, Doc. So anybody with telehealth or that gets medicine from telehealth, read chat, please. Bitcoin's RSI is a 61.5. 9.5 up on GWH. COSM sliding. Not a fan. Boil on VWAP. goev went red-green. TRKA trying up. MULN still chilling on that 48. Walgreens and Publix have already stopped accepting them, by the way. Kroger hasn't stopped yet, but said that it could be next time. Okay. %7 on Amy. Backed has 7.3 up. Still looking at a double bottom on Boyle here. You have to do an in-person doctor visit in order to get those prescriptions filled in the future. Okay, thank you. That's not really the best news for COSM, is it? With the whole Zip Doctor situation. Dana, I see you. I'm going to go ahead. Hold on a second. All right, Dana. Now, inside that Mafia chat or inside that Mafia group that I just added you to, you could, there's something that says about like a Mafia chat 2.0. Just say, hey, I became a member today. When you create the chat, like throw me in or something like that. Something along those lines. But just make sure that your membership is like the second one from the bottom. If you want to be in it. I get Telemed prescription via Walgreens last month. Is new. Fred, I think it is new. Thank you, Hatter. I appreciate that. I'm happy that you enjoyed it. Happy you enjoyed it. Neil also said that he'd be open to doing more in the future, too. Which is, I think, is awesome. Heads up on TRKA. Bitcoin getting tighter. RSI is at 55-ish. Right now, TRKA is in a bullish setup on the 5-minute. Yeah, TRKA just looks prime. It's still, it just, yeah. She looks beautiful. Let's just go with that. I feel like at some point it's going to be like a pressure release valve and it's going to come down a little bit, but then that's just, you know, an opportunity to load like later on if I feel like it. COSM just lost 320. Wolf, just off 17%. Great day. Bitcoin, RSI is 55. You realize that you're spending your time creating new accounts to come and, like, hang out here, right? Fucking weird people, dude. Weird people. Signal alerts being sent out. Very good. Thank you, Hatter. Thank you, Hatter. Boyle might be going for a Death Cross. Gotta bounce off this VWAP. MULN's just pinned to that 48 as well. Bitcoin trying. We need to clear 29,250-ish and hold. Coinbase is up almost 6%. Just up $65. Bitcoin, a little bit of a lift. God, we gotta break these highs. I have a telemed appointment today at 4:40. I will let you know how. Yes, please do. Please do. Bitcoin up. $70 on the RSI for Bitcoin. Got rejected at that key level that I have marked up. VIRI thoughts. I like what's it called? SDIG. I've been playing SDIG. I made a video about SDIG in December actually. VIRI. I like VIRI because it's a frank play, and I like how he's standing up against naked shorts. Hatter, add Hive, HIVE, and Wolf, WULF, to your watch list, though. I mean, I don't know if, obviously, I'd go chasing Wolf 17% up, but those are two more crypto miners that have, what's it called? They have lower caps. TRKA, hard up, and rejected. WULF. This one right here. WULF. That's also a crypto. It's called like TerraWolf or something. It's a that and Hive. I would add those to your watch list for crypto miners. Here's Hive. Bitcoin trying again. Perfect. Bitcoin trying higher. Is any other creator streaming TRKA, or are they just trying to like screw with my stream? TRKA, what are you doing? I think you're legit getting DDoS. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I'm getting DDoS. Hey, Buzz, have you heard from Antics? In Mafia chat, yeah. I mean, I'm on a VPN and stuff. Like, I don't know. I feel like that should help me, right? The algo hates TRKA because they know how buried the shorts are, I think. Watch it go rippy and then go dippy. Like, but overall, I think it's gonna grind upwards. That's my opinion. Bitcoin RSI is 51. Coming up on average volume for TRKA. Below average volume on MULN, and I believe that we're already over average volume on Boyle, but I'll look. Yeah, we're already at over average volume on Boyle. Boyle is up almost 14%. Bitcoin coming down to support. RSI on it's a 49. And it is flex hour. Shout out, shout out. Power Flex Gym. The only place in the world to get ripped and rich at the same time. MULN sliding lower. Don't like that. Eek. Peep MCOM. like, okay. I see you. I see you in your recovery. Bitcoin sliding up. TRKA hard down. Heads up. We're about to get a move, I think. Let's see. Are we going to eat supply? Eat supply off that. We need Bitcoin to keep pushing, though. RSI is at 52. Wow, look at Coinbase. Fucking monster. Oh yeah, they're being so defensive on TRKA. Because once it gets going, it's gonna be dog eat dog, I think. What, Wolf well down off of its highs? Credit Suisse, a lot of blocks. A lot of chop, chop, chop on MULN. Does anybody know if I'm the only creator that's covering TRKA? And if I am, or if I'm not, can you see if that person's stream is lagging a little bit? Please? Just out of curiosity. Because I want to know if it's coordinated. Okay, so there's a lot of activity going on with cold, which is the inverse of boil. So heads up on boil. Oh wait, whoa! Those are puts. No wait, never mind. Those are puts apparently. 65 puts, right? Yeah. So puts on cold would be great for boil. Never mind. I take that back. COSM with the block. Since the sell off, yep. Yeah. I absolutely agree with you, Hatter. I just think that they're in so much trouble. Especially because you could look at the naked short volume on them. And it's been over 50% the last, like, month. And they had to clear a lot of shorts out of it already. You know what I mean? There's that, and then there's the fact that, like, the float may have screwed with a lot of people's heads, too. Over 10% on GWH. Bitcoin's RSI is at 52.3. Exela at 8.5 up. You bought GDXD for gold pullback? Okay. Super trend down on MULN, rejected immediately. RSI on Bitcoin's at 52. COSM to a 7.7. Ooh, MULN hard down towards VWAP. I'm going to pull up COSM. Actually, no, I'm not, because they just dropped. Hold on a second. I had one of my accounts accidentally log out on me. To VWAP on MULN. Maybe after hour run, since that pot stocks are getting are getting some volume, says Fred. Remember, Tilray has earnings after hours. From what was said earlier, I did not confirm myself, but that was said earlier. MULN trying off VWAP. For 20 stocks and crypto somewhat rolled together. Are they? Wolf coming back a little bit to 14% up. Well off the highs, though. Wow, MULN's getting smoked. Is there news out about MULN as to why this is dropping like this? They just got funding. Wait. MULN just got funding. As of 2 hours ago, apparently. I still think that they're buying out MCOM, but that's just my conspiracy theory. MULN gonna be trying VWAP here in a second. Hatter, yes it does. I'm really interested to see what happens with Boyle off VWAP. No, not yet. Don't be celebrating on TRKA just yet. Go ahead. Go ahead. No walls. Got it. Thanks. Heads up on Boyle. And watch out for a MULN reversal. Yeah. What Devil said. Please break 30. RSI on Bitcoin is at 45. But is what market doing today? That was supposed to be bloody, but it looks like plunge retraction. Bitcoin's leading the way. And you know how I feel about Bitcoin and its ability to lead the market. VIX to a 1911. Zella now 10% up. I know a lot of you guys are in Zella. Looks like VIX is a mini pop. I hope it doesn't. MULN's still sliding. $45-minute PDT. Thank you very much, Mark. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much, Mark. Wow, MULN is really getting hit. Volume on MULN is 190 mil. TRKA up. A little bit. Bitcoin RSI is at 43. We hit some homers today, guys. Homers today. Watch out on the MULN reversal. AMC may close at 498. That's if the market maker sold enough call premiums. What would you like me to speak about MULN and specifically? RSI on Bitcoin's at 44 still. Price. I don't do price targets. My thoughts are that they have all the pieces that they need to complete a great company, but they need to put them together and they need to, you know, get some revenue going. Those are my thoughts. I do not trust Dave Mishry, but I trust what they have going on there, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just don't do price targets. Why put a roof on something when I'm trying to go to the moon? Do it. I would prefer one. I would definitely prefer a new CEO. That doesn't mean I'm going to get one, you know? VIX to 1904. Back to 8.7 up. Boyle is just barcoding now, off just above VWAP, up 14%. Understood in facts. Okay, cool. On the same page. AI 20. What's Carvana then doing? Because I might sell. Nah. Bitcoin's still looking for a MACD swing. RSI is a 43. It is starting to swing a little bit, though. $100,000 shares return for TRKA. Oh, boy. So is SINT just high cost bar? It's not reading off what's called. It's not reading off the short interest on it. Interactive brokers, TRKA, borrow fee. There were 2.3 mil shares available with a fee of 45%. Thank you. Bitcoin hard down. RSI on Bitcoin is a 33. They were just hunting for stops there, I think. MULN just off VWAP. TRKA. Trying my hardest to catch another massive bag from penny stocks. About 3 years ago, I bought COSMOS Energy at 12 cents. Nice. I didn't do as well on GNS, but my average was 59 cents, and I sold it at like 7.30 something. TRKA. Liquidity grab for Bitcoin, maybe. It's now below the basis line on my Bollinger Band. Oh. Maybe. TRKA getting closer to 30 cents. Volume picking up on TRKA. Watch out on Boyle, guys. I'm telling you, there might be an opportunity there. Either that or it's about to fall through the floor. Really no telling. Bitcoin hard down. Notice how this is still fighting to go upwards as Bitcoin is dropping. I don't know. I find that very, very intriguing. BBAI is 7%. LFG, TRKA. That's what I'm saying, dude. Like, cool, calm, collected, cold as ice. I'm buying 2,000 boil tomorrow sometime when my funds settle. My okay. Just know what you're doing with your trade. That's all. Personally, if I was gonna spend that kind of money on boil, it would be through options, and I probably wouldn't spend that much money. And I would make it a really like a quick trade myself, but that's me. JFR, yeah. JFRB. Can I get? You don't care if I give it to you off screen, right? JFBR. Oh, BR. JFB. Ah, shit. I have to log out, log back in. It is. It says not applicable. Cost to borrow average 326%. And the utilization right now is 31.27, but it literally says not applicable for short. What? I don't know why that would be. I might like this. I don't know. It's up 83%. I'd be chasing. I don't know how I feel about it. I like how the cost to borrow is high. I don't like how it doesn't say not applicable for short interest. I might have to get into SINT again as well. See that double bottom? Like 155? Carvana going to be going for a cup and handle here too, I think. I got you, dude. Still waiting on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's RSI is at 32. VIRI's up 29. VIRI's probably going to go for more here, potentially. Watch it try to form a cup. Just watch Bitcoin. Watch how these charts react with it. Bitcoin going for the recovery. Trying to cut that MACD signal. RSI is at 42. Eating supply down to the 48 on TRKA. Just under average volume. Just my experience on Boyle options. Buy yourself time. When it goes in the money, don't be greedy. I usually sell the day they go green unless I still have plenty of time to expire on contract. Yeah, just watch out, though, because we are going to be coming up on a potential split, and non-standard options suck, in my experience. So just be careful with that. Go ahead. I see you guys. I see you, green. Bitcoin, super trended up, got rejected. New candle. Bitcoin, super. BBAI 8%. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. If you know what you're doing to the point where you're selling calls, then yeah, I understood. I don't think he knew how far along in your experience you've been. But if you're doing that, then you probably know just about what you're doing. Bitcoin's RSI is a 42. Oh, that's an excellent strategy. It's an excellent strategy. The more you lose, the more you learn, right? I mean, not always. But I will say that I've made some like very, very like silly mistakes that I'll never make again because I lost money over it. And I should have known better. That was, I don't know. A frustrating time in my life when I was just kind of like losing money just to learn. MULN hard up. And rejected. They do not want this to go up, guys. This is funny. Whoa, what's going on here? What is this? Hold on. I see blocks. Yo, MCOM. Look at that recovery. Let's go. I bought that dip. That's cool. All right. I thought I was on a 5 on all of them. But... Yeah, recovery on MCOM. Go Bish go. That's right. But as you see, this end of day UVXY green dildo, candle. I want it down personally, but beggars can't be choosers. Boyle's making its way towards the end of my drawing. MULN tried. MULN to the VWAP in the 48. MCOM is now 0.043 Hellbiz. Toro again, Chad? You dog. You dog. MULN and TRKA with the candle. RSI on Bitcoin's at 45. MULN in between the 48 and the 200. This one account that I'm trading is up a casual 17.25% on the day. No big deal. I'll take that gain any day of the week. BBAI to 10%. Biddy's just cooling off. She needs to close above 28.8. I have 28.850-ish. That's my number. Wolf to 18%. Bitcoin to a 48 on the RSI. I have no idea. Con, I have no idea. And that's what scares me. That's what scares the shit out of me about SINT. I have no idea what happened. It's really odd. Really odd. I mean, they must have did an offering that we just didn't read the paperwork on, or I don't know. But the shares available just, or the shares on float, it's just not the same. Like, I kind of feel hoodwinked over SINT. You're still bullish on your TRKA drawings from 5 minutes? Okay. Yeah, I'm not even close to my ranges on where I would want to sell it at, to be quite honest. I'm not even close. We might get a move right here. Let's see if Bitcoin pushes a 48. RSI is a 56. MULN hard up. MULN trying to push to 200. Bitcoin's rejecting my drawing here. Again, still coming to the end of my my drawing on Boyle as well. BBAI is up 11.5. Bitcoin's RSI is just under 53, and it's trying to cross the MACD right now. Xella is up 12%. Down on Boyle to the view up. Wolf is now 19% up. You think that we have until tomorrow or through tomorrow for nat gas plays? Maybe. Maybe. TRKA, the Bollinger Bands are getting tighter again. Bitcoin in between 24 and the 48. 3.4 up on Vana. 18 on Wolf. About 16 on VS. MULN trying for that 200 still. That sector is so shorted, not much meat left on the bone. Oh, on that gas, yeah. Man, we are just hanging. 47.8 on the RSI for Bitcoin. On my drawing. Eating supply in between the 48 and the 200 on MULN, trying to move up. All the EMAs are in line on TRKA. And we have Boyle just underneath view up. These are way too tight, though. Yep. at average volume right now in TRKA. Bitcoin with a little bit of a push to the 48. Balances in 5 minutes. Thank you. Clean up the dark pool stuff. Yeah. Yup. 102.55 on DXY. Let's get a shot here on TRKA, please. That'd be ideal. TRKA. What doing? What up, Bob? What up, Bob? Yeah, for some reason my stream was glitching and I had to completely like restart it. So my likes are down today. But it's alright. It is all good. Bitcoin at the 48, RSI is of 52. Iceberg bids on TRKA. Yeah, I had to reset a few times to get to work just now. Yeah, it's fucked up. I don't know what's going on. It might be because I might be the only creator right now that's covering TRKA, and TRKA is in a lot of trouble. For them, in my opinion. I just don't know if any other creators are covering TRKA. Bitcoin trying to push that 48. Bitcoin back to at some point. I don't know if it'll be today or tomorrow, but at some point probably. At this pace. At this pace, it'll be by like this evening. Credit Suisse blocks. Bitcoin up. Go ahead, baby. Carry the market. We know you want to. Bring XRP too. BBAI is now up 13.5. Bitcoin trying still. In the cloud. VIRI is 32% up. $13's trying to go through the 48 on Bitcoin to the upside. Bitcoin. What doing? Zella 12.5 up. Coinbase 7% up. Congrats if you guys sniped that when it was lunch earlier. We were talking. VIX still 1909. She low. Bitcoin crossing the MACD right now. RSI is at 58. Go ahead. RSI on Bitcoin is 63.6. Bollinger Band's way too tight on TRKA. Way too tight. Hold. Hold. I'm doing my Braveheart impression.
Hold on to your batteries. There's turbulence ahead.
Seven minutes left if you're dealing with PDT. Way too tight. That's got to move. Just for giggles. Bitcoin's RSI is 62.8. Boyle trying. 5-minute PDT. Last 5-minute candle for TRKA is 1.1 million shares. Like, sub, share, bell stuff. Thank you, Mark. That's just too tight. It's not feasible. Boil up. Boil could get explosive. She could get hot. What are we doing? Which way? RSI and Bitcoin's at 54. $74 million, 74.6. I just want to see what it's going to be like here going into close. Last 3 minutes. Nat gas gets sort of slow at 2 p.m. until next. Yeah. These Bollinger Bands are just way too tight on TRKA. That's unnatural. Wow, 32% on VIRI. Whoa, till rate to strike US $250 million deal to buy Hexo. Heads up on Hexo. Never. It already kind of popped, but. Bitcoin still trying. Last minute. You just doubled your till rate $3 call position. Okay. MULN to the 200. MULN up. MULN up. All right. Good job. Great day. Great day. Great day. Great day. I do have to make some phone calls quick. If TRKA goes absolutely bananas, then I'll come back live. And then tomorrow I'll also try. I'll just go back to my other laptop. It's a little bit of smaller of a screen, but it is what it is. Hopefully it won't freeze up as much. Much love, guys. I'm gonna make these phone calls quick in case this goes, kaboom. Later, fam.